Alright, so last time I started to show you how to add newsletters to this page, but I got a little bit sidetracked talking about the query widget. So now we're going to get into specifics. So we determined that in order for a newsletter to appear, it has to be a child of this page. This is the newsletter page, which you see right here. And to add those items to it, you have to create a child of this page. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go in here. We're going to say Add New Page. We're going to click Add New Page, and we're going to come over here and let's see what newsletters we have. Just look right here. We're going to do March 2010. So we're going to call this March 2010, and we're going to go down here and say parent. It says no parent. We're going to say parent is newsletter. You see all the other newsletters right here. So we're going to give that newsletter, and then we're going to upload the actual PDF by going here, and we're going to go select March 2010. Where was it? There it is. And we're going to grab this link URL. This is the actual link to the PDF. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to save all changes. Then we're going to come down here, and it says, if you want this post to redirect to another page, please type the destination URL below. So we're going to paste this here. This is if search engines like Google pick up the URL for the parent page, which would be March 2010, but the actual page is blank. What we want it to do is we want it to download this PDF. So we're going to tell anyone that clicks on this to redirect to it. This next field is tells the content management system to, instead of linking when using this page, when listing this page, instead of linking to the URL for this page, because again this page is blank, you can see there's no content here. Instead of doing that, link to here. So that's that. Now we have to create a featured image for the actual newsletter. So let's open up the March 2010 newsletter. And here it is. And all I'm going to do is shrink it down using the zoom out key. And then all I'm going to do is create a screen capture here. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hit Command Shift 4 and have this little cursor come up. And I'm going to create this screen grab right here, which actually I think I need to, let me bring this, there we go. Take a screen grab just like this. And go back to our content management system and go set featured image, select files, find the screenshot that we just grabbed, and then we're going to click use as featured image, and then publish. We should be able to go here and refresh and see March 2010. And when we click this, voila, there's the PDF. Now I wanted to show you something to explain this. If we didn't have these link to and redirects, let's say we took these out. We remove these just so you'll see exactly what happens. We're going to click update. Then we're going to go here and we'll refresh. And now when we click this newsletter, it goes to that blank page that the PDF was attached to, which we don't want. So that's why we paste the link to the actual PDF file in these two fields right here. And that's it. That's all there is to adding a newsletter. By default, by the way, when you add a new one, it goes in reverse chronological order with, chronological order with the newest first. So this one we created this one right now. It doesn't actually look at the title here. It just looks at the created at date. So if you want to see that, that's right here, published on April 6, 2011. So if we wanted to move that around, we would change this and say published on, since to stay with it, we're going to say we're published it in March 6, 2010. And then click OK and update. Now, because we haven't finished doing this, it's going to jump around. It's going to go actually behind. Actually, no, it stayed right there. Okay, so that's good. So basically, that is up and running, and that's how you add a newsletter to this page.